Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. My topic is the path of deep sensitivity, tropical diagnosis of lesion and at the various levels. Next. Sensation. Sensation is an ability of an organism to accept stimuli for external and internal environment. Deep sensation. This includes joints, vibratory senses, and pain from the deep lying somatic structure, namely muscles, ligament, fascia, bone, and so on. Joint senses. Joint senses is a sense of positions and passive movement, vibration senses, feeling of mass, feeling of pressure, and kinesthesia. Next. Pathway of deep sensation. The first order neuron, the posterior root ganglion and its processes. The lateral branches, that is dendrites, starts from the receptor of the deep structure. Medial branch, axon, enters the spinal cord and ascends directly in gracile and cutaneous tract within the posterior column on the same side to relate in the gracilis and cunate nuclei of the medulla. Next. The dorsal column and medial seminical system. Thalamus fasciculus gracili and fasciculus cunatus, nucleus gracili and nucleus cunatus are the primary sensory cortex. The dorsal column medial lemniscal system, discriminative touch, vibration, and the position information from the body is conveyed by the dorsal column medially by the DCLM system. The DCML is crossed system. It originates from the mechanoreceptor, that is a sensory receptor sensitivity to the mechanical deformation. Located in the body wall and project to the contralaterally cerebral hemisphere via the neuron. The DCML is comprises of the fasciculus um, gracili and fasciculus cunatus. Next. Fasciculus gracilis. The, the first order neuron, that is the cell body, is a dorsal root of ganglion. The distal axon innervates mechanoreceptor in a leg and lower trunk via peripheral nerve. Proximal axon enters dorsal column and ascends ipsilaterally and terminates in the nucleus of gracilis. Second order neuron. Cell body is nucleus. Axon dissociate in the medulla and project to the contralateral thalamus. Third order neuron. The cell body is a VPL of thalamus. Axon ascends via posterior limbs of the internal capsule and terminates in primary somatosensory cortex. Next. 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 Fasciculus
Having some problems with the internet.
Fasciculus cunatus. The first order neuron, that is a cell body, is dorsal root ganglion. Distal axon innervates mechanoreceptor in arm and upper trunk via peripheral nerve. Proximal axon enters dorsal column and ascends ipsilaterally and terminates the nucleus cunatus. Second order neuron is a cell body nucleus, cutaneous axon, dissociate in medulla and project to the contralaterally thalamus and via medial lemniscus. Third order neuron, cell body, VPL of thalamus, axon is ascends via posterior limb of the internal capsule and terminates in the primary somatosensory cortex. Next. Lesion of the fasciculus gracilis on the left. So dissociate impairment is ipsilateral to the lesion. Lesion is the lesion of the first order neuron interrupts ascending information. So the light touch, vibration, and position sensation is impairment in the left leg and the lower trunk. Receptors and reflexes connection below the lesion level remains intact. Next. Lesion of the fasciculus cunatus. Because of the TACT has not yet discussed it, impairment is ipsilateral of the lesion. Lesion of the first order neuron interrupts ascending information, so the light touch, vibration, and the position of the sensation is impaired. In the left arm and the upper left trunk, receptors and reflex connection below in the lesion level remains intact. Next. Thank you.